Mama wakwaba wofreme adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me and notification bell no so for more news.
You see, Dr. Joseph Obeng and a GUTA boss. GUTA for the beer guabanso. GUTA for the beer guabanso. Go on and draw real no kasai. Now, no, what for say? Gary photo Gary adi nsu agusu Gary photo no we de nanu mutu ya kaso obi atura no mutu a gono pa church ase
confession na
obi confession aya na obi ya kaso obi atu nanu mutu a se aduro kan obi ye be for the right no a na okasa na yesi wa tu nanu mutu nti obi kaso obi atu nanu mutu anya nkomodie so wa confess Dr. Joseph Obeng GUTA president Andra
is here with me. We'll go straight to him.
Joe Brace of multimedia. Anything come on. Wait a minute. Now me person me cover the bar. Then you say any.
Sources there.
Oh no, I'm judge them the name. I me cover the bar. Now me be say muntie message no. Na yenhwe say Dr. Bawumia kasa wi no. Afi GUTA for no more saying.
Okay.
Doc, so earlier I spoke to you. You seem to really appreciate all that the Vice President did. But you've been in the past speaking about taxes. The Vice President has spoken about the removal of e-levy. He's speaking about the removal of the emissions tax, the VAT on electricity, if that is still there. I mean, how do you see all of the things that the Vice President spoke about in his presentation?
I'm overly excited. This is exactly what I wanted to hear, and I heard it. It means that they have been listening to whatever pleas that we have been doing. The communication that we do with you on TV and all that is being listened to. And of course, it's all about he adopting compliance as a tool of revenue collection in his administration. And that is going to simplify tax collection system. That's why he's talking about flat rate, and that he's going to even make duty payment flat rated, starting with spare parts. Why can't I be excited if this is what, after all these years we've said have been ahead of and being going to be adopted. So we are very excited. The fact that he said that invigilation should be the thing of the past in his administration, it means that he has also listened to a plea by the invigilation by VAT, and that being in government now, I believe he is talking to GRA to stop those exercises. And that, for us, is very positive. And the fact that he is also saying that GRA is okay, so that we can have the freedom and peace to, because we are not to be treated as common criminals when doing business. And that 5 years is okay. What is happening now is 1 year, every 2 years, they will come do postcards or they charge you some amount to pay and all that, and that does not augur well. So what he says is that he's going to expand the tax net. He said that because that's why he started with the 10 number and all that, and that has captured a lot of capable taxpayers who are outside the tax net, and that is what he's going to use to make taxes affordable so that everybody will pay. That's what I understood, and that he says that he's going to make things very flat. When you do that, it means that he's going to take away all the leakages in the tax system. And this is what we have drummed over and over and over, that when you do your the duty flat, it means that nobody is going to take advantage, the custom officer or the agent or even the trader, because we all know that this is the flat rate that we have to pay.
So you're saying that after listening to the flag bearer, you are convinced that going forward, things will be cheaper for us, the consumers?
Yeah. It means that if he's able, in case he wins power, and then he adopts it, because we know that this is feasible, this is workable. It's not rocket science. These things that we've said is what other countries have done, and they are being highly competitive in the market. We are very uncompetitive because of the high rates of duties that we pay. And he might have recognized that and said that he's going to simplify things for us. He's going to make things flat rated for us. Make so that affordability, and then expand the tax net. This is all that we have been saying all this time. And so it's very important that because it's very good that a leader should listen to what his people. That's all democracy is.
Dr. Gatti. I know this message. Reverend Anope Pacho, good morning. Now, what you saying? Chiao, Oma me Jumebi, a Jumano, Pacho, Yami Aduma, and Nane. Yeah, Kowa. Na aye hwajuma e dia ma papa or say I confess I love you guys. The way you work hard for the party is fantastic. Your reward will surely come to pass. We ma Doris Obobi and Odessa message. Nenu kumuso ntimi na abawa say good morning Ghana for nyina the room you and your team. Moye too much. Chai and account at the Abba. Look, my mo coffee bento abaso. Go on. I say Mr. Money I send the coffee bento a yaba. May mo coffee bento abaso. Coffee bento vice president. Ono na ye substantive vice president. Emma Imani Ghana. Imani Africa. Sorry. Enya ye so honorary vice president wine. Into coffee bento. You see, coffee bento. Edinity at to line so fight for. A friend is a very honest person, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No matter the attacks, and I mean, so show BB, or say, most of bad, it would be on my own petrol. So, energy, no, mobile, the Jadabesha mobile, and you be. In fact, what did Dr. Bawumia want dance here, Papa, Dr. Bawumia, Enyami, Shrano, and the Professor Jampo, so support to Mahama.
Coffee Bento as a principal person.
And I'm making kind Dr. Kobmensa Facebook. Go on, I come yes. Professor Kobmensa.
What school?
I come yes. CSA or Casa, Dr. Bawumia, some more Casa 24 hours in a services. Now, so deliver service we are. And I say, oh, there, Adriana online we are. Adriana, the best and do through the internet. No, Diana. Now, Mr. Pawunian will film. Na omo out there duane no go no pacho o there duane a ye ti Ghana hai o there duane ne sra o there duane awia ye the internet mu na bre wana
e bia sa na dweye no
na nti se o there duane awia ne fan internet so mre wo dia ada na o da na dia ye be internet so dia bre
me want the picture be on the boys be tibe
on your NDC phone did no
mo did no
me fan ma asante
na you adwa this the man na say o ya no kwa ho
no you see mo ya NDC for ye nim say wo hwe Kobmensa MPP buy no or consultancy contract. And you nkwa na abeya dwuma do baabi no na eso bi nso ye bi. Consultancy contract na different in sem no godon. Wa fa ho tan. Emani wa fa Bawumia ho tan a o consult ma NDC for Mahama. Yenim so ye consultant ma Mahama. Yi wanim no bia hu say me Kobmensa me Professor Jampo mayi manim me NDC ni. And to say we neutral. What neutral? Ayi Doctor Professor Jampo. Ofi mi kromo. Also filate. Me gwani.
Jampo wo free.
Ofi laten so oya fantic kan la half pound. Yes. Ofi e kwapem late. Enti oye
one chest on
just so ye NDC.
Me on try no mutu say me support John Mahama. So that people will know how to deal with you. But what said that question say academia chi me what the we use naked politics without principle
violently.
We
yasem. Onti
have been killed violently before.
Hey.
Oko pineapple
as a lecturer.
I say good morning big guys. Oni ni bako.
Big guys be any.
Honorable Clement Wilkins.
Oh wow.
Okay. Big guys and pay.
Now we me have share na me
ho. Honorable Clement Wilkins and pay good morning to you. Now no racial for by then crop for hemu omo hwa say pass question. Omo hwe mu an dinim. No asa benechi. Afa mi hu say ba kwa betru Facebook. Enti out of 260 MMCC, MDCs, no 24 pen we yomadi. We yara. Ese Honorable Clement Wilkins. Anaka no anyi bi I see. Na unim bibi. Ma me mbo video bin fan kire wa no pain.
Na wo kapo aba.
Na me hu say kapo aba pa. Na hu say kapo aba pa. Na video we die but Dr. Bawumia yi ne be fan sector by sector feature channel na ya discuss. But asante
I am just a feature consuming
only ha.
I think that was shut up our bansa.
Sure.
Oh, that's all bansa. Now, now I didn't. Oh, no, we crack a baby, sir. Asante patch video na ma me hwe se me hu ana.
Video dey hin no.
Me pese mo an ka mo hwe. Say you say behind every successful man no there is a woman asante pacho
na me say
ye ma miss Samira Bawumia so them say Samira
Enrad me say mo fa chame Enrad me yela me de kala me say ope okunu dodo me say just say si wo si tuo nam o ka say no what this is wo peta ni na me say yeah
asante wo de fa fifa
video so si tu ka kwa che no
wo de fa video ni
but wonim the issue is that
Samira Bawumia
yes onyantinsi
tu wa ben
yeah
na nanu no bi ka kire me say Mahama breso yes Mahama yire so oni Samira na go school
mami no jana mi lecture be o chere na
when go school when
si mami na bo
oh that's not fair Samira Bawumia ko ken you
mo de me hwe wi na me ka se mi kire aha eti e ma me Samira Bawumia aha ani niti